Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Awesome. So, good morning, everyone. So, you have started joining. Am I audible and visible to everyone? Please let me knowing by commenting कि मैं आपको दिख रही हूँ और मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है आपको. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Please help me knowing if my voice and video is visible and my voice is clear. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Neetu. Good morning, Geeta. Good morning, Swati. Good morning, everyone. Awesome. So, how are you all? आप लोग कैसे हैं? Okay, thank you so much, Kumud. How are you all? How are you all doing? Good morning, Pavni. How are you? Please help me knowing how are you. I hope all of you are good. Great. Awesome. Good morning. Good morning. I am also good, Pavni. Thank you so much for asking. I'm also very nice. I'm doing very good. I'm also good. Thank you for asking, everyone. So, how was your Sunday, everyone? You enjoyed your Sunday with your family? How was your Sunday, everyone? It was good? Awesome. So, let's proceed further. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, for helping me knowing. And when you face any difficulty when it comes to my voice or my video, please help me knowing the same, okay? आप मुझे बता दीजिएगा, ठीक है? So, I wanted to talk to you about कि आप लोगों ने टास्क किया जो आपको दिया गया था day 1 पे, that you have to write 10 things. That you have to write 10 things you are grateful for along with the reason. You did that task, everyone? Okay, you did that task, and how you felt after writing those 10 things that you are grateful for? It was good? You felt nice? You felt good? Awesome. And how many of you have started reading books? How many of you have started reading books? मैंने आपको ये भी बताया था कि आपको बुक्स भी पढ़नी है. So, how many of you have started reading books? How many of you wish? How many of you want? How many of you have started to read books? Okay, awesome, great, awesome, everyone. I'm so happy. You are such great students. Awesome. Okay, Pinky is saying I do. Okay, very good, everyone. And have you kept that coin and note aside? आप लोगों को मैंने बोला था कि आपको एक कॉइन या एक नोट असाइड रखना है, अलग से रखना है. So have you done that also? Have you done that also, everyone? फटाफट बताओ, फटाफट, क्योंकि हमारे पास 1 घंटा ही होता है ना, तो हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें कवर करनी होती है, तो फटाफट बताया करो. Okay, so you all have done. You have kept aside that coin and that note. Okay, awesome, great. So let's proceed further for the session for the day. How many of you are excited for today? Are you excited for today? Great, awesome. So let's proceed for the day. And everyone, on day 1 we talked about mindset, we talked about positivity. So in this session we will be talking about communication. So ये वाली चीज़ मैंने आपको last time नहीं सिखाई थी, because I was actually learning all these things. But within 1 year, now I train people for communications as well. Okay, so now I train people for communication skills as well. So now you will also get to know that what is communication, right? So how many of you are excited for the session for the day? How many of you are excited for the session for the day? You all are excited? Okay, let's proceed further. Okay, what awesome. I want to see this excitement in all of my students that yes, they are very excited because अगर आप लोग मुझे excitement show नहीं करेंगे तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा that you are interested in learning something new today, right? So that's why you have to tell me again and again and again that yes ma'am, we are very excited when I ask you that whether you are, okay? Because when you are excited, you also learn a lot. Awesome. So first of all, let's understand that what is communication. People, what do you know about communication? Help me in knowing. Help me in knowing that what is communication. What do you think about communication? आपको क्या लगता है कि communication क्या है? What do you think that communication क्या है? What do you feel about it? What do you feel about it? आपके क्या thoughts है communication skill से related? What do you feel what communication is? Tell me in one word. What is communication to you? Tell me in one word that what is communication to you. Fatafat, fatafat. I need that fatafat. Okay, I have got that you are super duper excited. Now answer my question. That what do you understand by the word communication in one word? What do you feel about communication? क्या होता है? And if you don't know, write down no. Okay? अगर आपको नहीं पता communication क्या है, just write down no. Right? Okay. To put your thinkings in front of other people. First of all, there is no word like people. Okay? So avoid using people. Okay. The talking between two people. You can alter this talking like you आप talking की जगह लिख सकते हो. The conversation between two people, okay? Talking to any person, all right? Talking होता है TALKING, okay? Talking, okay? What else? If you know, then write it down. Whatever. Expressing feelings, okay? Talking, okay? What else? Transmission of thoughts or information, okay? Transmission, okay? What else? What else is communication? You are telling me absolutely correct अभी तक तो. Body language. Very good, Vivek. Good. It's not basically communication, it's a part of communication. But I'm just asking right now, what do you understand by communication? Talk with others, okay? Talking with each other, okay? और क्या? Talking के अलावा क्या होती है communication? वो तो मुझे पता है communication is talking, but to explain something, okay? Okay. Awesome. So all of you are partially correct. So I will help you in knowing is to talk with one person to another. Okay. Okay. Awesome. So I will help you in knowing that what is exactly communication. Okay. And everybody, you are supposed to prepare your notes. You are supposed to prepare your notes. Right. So let me help you in understanding that what is communication. Communication means expressing your thoughts, your emotions from one person to the other person. Communication is transferring your thoughts, your emotions from one person to the another person. Okay? For example, I am over here. I am talking to all of you right now. My purpose is that I am educating you in terms of personality development and communication. Okay? So I am transferring my thoughts. I am transferring my emotions through my words, through my actions, right? So this is known as communication, and right now you are expressing your thoughts in terms of writing it down. So this is also communication. Communication can be visual, communication can be written, and communication can be spoken. Okay? Communication can be written, communication can be spoken, and communication can be visual. Visual का मतलब होता है जब कोई ड्रामेटाइज करता है हमारे आगे, when somebody dramatizes in front of us, so that is visual communication. When somebody is speaking in front of us, that is verbal communication. And when somebody is writing it down and giving it to something, and for example we write down our answer sheet, so that is also communication, that yes, we are transferring our thoughts, our emotions, our understanding of that topic from us to other. Make sense everyone? Make sense? समझ आया आप लोगों को? In simple layman language, आप लोग गूगल से कॉपी पेस्ट करके मत बताओ मुझे, ठीक है? आपको जो आता है वही बताओ, मुझे गूगल से कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है? और मुझे पता है कि गूगल में क्या डेफिनेशन है कम्युनिकेशन की, सो डोंट बी वेरी स्मार्ट, ठीक है? डोंट बी वेरी स्मार्ट इन कॉपिंग फ्रॉम गूगल एंड टेलिंग मी द आंसर. सो हैव यू एक्सप्लेन, आपको समझ आया कि क्या है कम्युनिकेशन? कम्युनिकेशन इज ट्रांसफरिंग योर थॉट्स, योर इमोशंस फ्रॉम वन पर्सन to the other person. It can be visual, it can be visual, it can be verbal, and it can be written. It can be written, it can be visual, and it can be, verbal. So let's understand one thing. Let's understand one thing after communication. Let's understand one thing after communication, that communication में सबसे ज़्यादा important क्या होता है? What is the most important factor of communication which most people forget? Why do you think that most of the people don't have very good relationships, everyone? That somebody has a lot of misunderstanding. Somebody has a lot of misunderstanding in their relationship, right? Why does that happen? Why people don't have very good relationship? Why there are so many misunderstanding in the relationship? Even if आप क्लास में भी कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, आप क्लास में भी कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आप बोलना कुछ और चाहते हैं, लेकिन उसको समझ कोई कुछ और लेता है. So what is important in communication? You have to understand that. You have to understand that feedback is very important in communication. जब मैं आप लोगों से पूछती हूँ कि आपको समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, then you write yes and no. So this is known as taking the feedback. For example, when a teacher is teaching you in the class, after she teaches a particular topic or whatsoever she is trying to teach you, उसके बाद वो आपसे क्या पूछती है कि students, do you have any doubts? Why does she ask that? So that जो वो बताना चाह रही हैं वो आप तक उसी सेम सेंस में पहुँचे. आप अपना, क्योंकि हर किसी का माइंडसेट अलग अलग होता है. द वे वी कंसीव थिंग्स, द वे हम लोग इस चीज़ को देखते हैं वो बहुत डिफरेंट होता है, क्योंकि हम लोगों का माइंडसेट और हम लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत डिफरेंट होता है, हम लोगों का नज़रिया बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. सो द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन कम्युनिकेशन इज टेकिंग द फीडबैक. फीडबैक इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज इट कैन हेल्प यू इन नोइंग कि अगर किसी ने, आपने सपोज किसी को कुछ समझाया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने कभी किसी को कुछ समझाया और यू आस्क दैट अदर पर्सन कि आपको क्या समझ आया जो मैंने आपको बोला, व्हाट डिड यू गॉट टू नो फ्रॉम वट एवर आई ट्राई टू सेट टू यू. वो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, वो कुछ बोलेंगे, और वो जब बोलेंगे तो आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि हाँ ये वही था, क्या ये वही चीज़ थी जो मुझे बोलनी थी. अगर आपको लगेगा अगर आपको लगेगा कि नहीं यहाँ पे कुछ मिस्टेक हो रही है, ये चीज़ मैं नहीं समझाना चाहता था, ये चीज़ मैं नहीं बोलना चाहता था या चाहती थी, so what will happen over here is that you can give an honest feedback, that you can ask the other person. आप उसको वापस से वो चीज़ समझा सकते हैं, ठीक है? आप उसको वो चीज़ समझा सकते हैं. समझ आया आप लोगों को? इट्स वेरी सिंपल बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. Are you able to understand, everyone? Communication is transferring your thoughts, your emotions from one person to the other person. There are three types of communication, basic three types, that is visual, that is verbal, and that is written. Okay? These are three types of basic communication, and the major important factor of communication is nothing but taking a feedback. Okay? So everybody of you, I would like to tell you one thing that I would like to tell you everyone, कि आपका एक competition होगा. You all know that there will be a competition. There will be a competition by the end of the summer camp. So for my this thing, for the personality development, you will be supposed to prepare a video. Okay? From now onwards, I will help you in understanding how to make an effective video. You all want to win, right? Who wants to win? Who all wants to win? Who all wants to win the competition? I am asking कि by the end of this summer camp, there will be a video making competition that you have to send your video. So now onwards, I will help you in knowing how to create good videos. That is also part of communication. That's why I took the topic of communication today. So who all wants to win? That's what I'm asking. Who all wants to win the summer camp, the competition? Everybody wants to win? You want to win? Okay, awesome. So when you will follow all the things that I will be telling you in the later session today, trust me, you will be very good. You will become really awesome when you will communicate and when you will prepare your videos. So what you have to do is you have to become really good student. Okay, you have to become really a good student. You have to understand whatever I am trying to say. Communication समझ आ गया? Now let's proceed further in understanding one thing. Let's understand one thing, everybody. That whenever you are communicating with somebody, it's very important. It's very important that you are giving in positivity. Okay? आप लोगों ने कभी मुझे देखा है कि मेरा I am very sad? आपने कभी ऐसा देखा कि I am very sad? Have you seen me like that? That I am very sad whenever I am talking to you? Have you seen me? कि मैम का मुंह, मैम is very sad and all this kind of stuff? No, right? So that is only because I know the importance of smiling. Okay? What happens is we don't smile when we communicate. We don't smile when we communicate. So it's very important that you smile whenever you are communicating with somebody. And even in your videos, you have to smile. It's very important that you smile. Okay, everyone? So it's very important that you are smiling whenever you are communicating. Why you have to smile? Then you will ask me कि मैम हमें क्यों smile करना चाहिए? The simple thing that because why you should smile is the basic element of spreading positivity. Through smile you spread positivity. Have you seen any small child? Have you gone to, for example, आप किसी मॉल में गए हो और वहाँ पे आप लोगों ने किसी छोटे बेबी को देखा, किसी छोटे बच्चे को देखा, ठीक है? आप उसको जानते नहीं हो, आप उसको पहचानते नहीं हो, but that छोटा बच्चा smiled seeing you. That छोटा बच्चा smiled by seeing you. So will you become excited? Will you become excited that yes, I want to play with that child? Yes, right? So this is the power of smile. Smile attracts people. Okay, so you have to understand one thing, everyone, that आप लोगों को हमेशा smile करते रहना है. Normally life में भी you have to smile, and smile should become a personality of yours. It should become something that people know you about. Okay, so you have to smile a lot. Okay, you have to smile. My voice is not clear. Is my voice clear, everyone? My voice is clear, everyone? Now is it clear? Is it clear now? Is my voice clear now? Is my voice clear, everyone? बता दो. Okay, you are writing okay? You are writing okay or yes? Okay, awesome, everyone. So let's proceed further. You have to smile, you have to take a feedback. इतना समझ आया? Now we have to understand that what is it very important, that how you will prepare your videos. See, communication is not only when you talk to somebody on one-on-one basis. Nowadays, because of COVID and everything, because technology is becoming very much active, we have to understand one thing, that communication is virtual. It's no more that you have to converse with somebody on one-on-one basis by meeting somebody. Okay, you have to become very effective and very efficient when it comes to preparing the virtual content. What is the difference between what is the difference between real and virtual? Real means that I am conversing with you by meeting you in person. Right? By meeting you in person. And second is virtual communication, the way I am doing it right now. the way I am doing it right now. Ask yourself right now, अगर आपको अभी opportunity मिल जाए कि आप एक session conduct करो ऐसे online, that you will be able to conduct, you are given chance to conduct a session online right now. Will you be able to do that? Do you have that kind of confidence in you? Do you have that kind of skills in you? That's what I want to ask everybody. क्या आपके पास तो skill है कि अभी मैं आपको बोलूँ कि you have to take up a session right now? Will you be able to do that, everyone? Online, सबके सामने, people will see you. Will you be able to do it? Will you be able to take that session? Okay. Ask from yourself how much confident you will be. Will your English be 100% correct? Will your body language be 100% correct? आप कर सकते हो. Will you be able to do that? Awesome. I'm very happy to hear this, that you will be able to do that. But deep underline, you all know that you will not be able to do that. Okay? This is a harsh reality which we all doesn't agree with. This is a harsh reality which we all doesn't agree with. Okay? Now comes the importance of virtual communication. What is virtual communication, everybody? The way we are talking right now, it's virtual. That people don't see you personally or physically, but they can experience your teachings and they can see you online. This is known as online education and online communication. Okay? So we have to understand how to become really effective when it comes to preparing your videos, when it comes to virtual communication. Okay? When it comes to virtual communication. So first of all, you have to understand one thing, people. Just tell me, if you are given a chance to give a speech in your school, or you are given a topic to prepare a video upon, so आप लोग कैसे start करोगे उस video को? How will you start your video, everyone, or how will you start your speech? How do you start it, everyone? You stopped. मतलब मैं are you able to see me, everyone? मैं दिख रही हूँ आप लोगों को? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को? Okay. So how will you start your video, everyone? Just tell me this, that if you are given, ma'am, voice is not clear. Is my voice clear, everyone? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को? अरे अभी तो आ रही थी, अभी कहाँ चली गई? If you are getting my voice, everyone? Okay. अरे वो तो ठीक है, पहले ये तो बता दो आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही? Okay. So let's proceed further. And understand that how will you create your videos and how you should create your videos and how you should give out your sessions or your speeches. First of all, how do you start your videos, everyone? By saying good morning and good evening. For example, good morning, everyone. My name is Pooja and my name is Kamini or my name is Geeta. Today I will be talking about this topic. This is the way you communicate and this is the way you will start your video, everyone. आप ऐसे ही करोगे? कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे फिर आप वीडियो, मुझे बताइए. जो नो, somebody is saying no, so how will you start your video? Write it down and tell me that how will you, by introducing yourself, that hello, my name is this, with our introduction that hello, my name is this and this, and today I am gonna talk about this and this topic, right? That I am from this class and this is my intro, with your intro. Okay, what else you will start your video with? What else you will include in that? क्या करेंगे? What else you will be, what else you can, okay, with our introduction, what else, क्या कर सकते हैं और? Let me know about that. मुझे पता है आप लोग इंट्रोडक्शन से ही करेंगे, but what about something else with our intro? समझ आ गया मुझे. Don't repeat something with it is coming in, okay, because it spams the comment section. Okay, intro. So all of you say that we will start with our intro. All of you are agree? All of you agree that you will start with our intro? Okay, so I would like to tell you this is not the right way to start your video or to start your speech. Okay, starting with your introduction is not the right way to begin your speech or to begin your video. Introduction is not the right way. Okay, so what is the right way? We have to understand that. We have to understand that what is the right way to do about it. So first thing is you have to start with any quotation. You have to start with any quotation. आप जाते ही गुड मॉर्निंग नहीं बोलेंगे, आप जाते ही गुड इवनिंग नहीं बोलेंगे, आप जाते ही कुछ नहीं गुड आफ्टरनून नहीं बोलेंगे. You will simply start with a quotation related to your topic, which should be related to your topic. ठीक है? For example, I am talking about positivity. ठीक है? So how will I start my video? Yes, I will absolutely smile in that, but I will not start my video by saying good afternoon or good evening. My name is Pooja. I will start by saying that 5 minutes of gratitude a day keeps all your anxieties and tensions away. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pooja and today we are going to talk about the importance of positivity and mindset in our life. समझ आया किसी को? That you will not start with a good afternoon or a good evening starting May. You will start with a quotation or with a personal story, or you will start with no. You are not supposed to start like that, okay? आप लोगों को जो भी बोलना है, for example, you want to say that my name is Pooja, I am from 7C and I am from Rawal International School. You can say that after saying your quotation. You can say that after saying your quotation. What is a quotation? You got to understand, right? So first of all, there are 4-5 ways through which you can start. First is with a quotation related to your topic. The second one is you can start with a personal story. No, Pinky, you will not start by giving introduction. This is not the right way to go about it in the public speaking thing, okay? No, you are not supposed to do like that, everyone. No, understand what I am trying to say. Okay? So the first thing is you have to start with quotation. Second is you can start with a personal story. Third is you can ask questions. For example, I am given a topic. For example, I am given a topic related to success. So how will I start asking questions? I will not start it by saying that hello everyone, today I will talk about so and so. I will talk about, do you want to be successful? Okay, everybody will absolutely say yes to that. Do you want to earn a lot of money? Do you want people should know you? Do you want to get a lot of success and fame in your life? Everybody will say yes. Okay, so what will happen is this will create an audience interaction. What happens over here is this creates an audience interaction. Always ask questions related to your topic. कोई नहीं वीडियो अवेलेबल नहीं है तो मेरी ऑडियो सुन लो, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so you have to start with either a quotation related to the topic. Second one is either you can start related to questions related to your topic through which people can answer them as a yes. No, you don't have to tell your topic, everyone. क्यों नहीं समझ रहे हैं आप लोग? Understand, you will start your video with a quotation or with a personal story. For example, मेरा positivity topic है. For example, my topic is positivity. So I will start by saying that 2 years back, I didn't know how important it is to be really positive in life. But one fine day, I found a person who actually taught me that it is very important to be positive. And I started involving myself in meditation. I started involving myself in reading books. And since then, my life has actually changed a lot. So hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pooja. So today we are going to talk about how positivity and you can say mindset can change your life. So this is a personal story. अगर आपके पास कोई पर्सनल स्टोरी नहीं होती है तो पर्सनल स्टोरी बना लिया करो. What happens is all of you love stories. Why we say that personal stories include करना is very important. Personal story include करना is very important because from very childhood we love stories, right? We love to hear stories. So even if when we used to sleep, our mother used to tell a story, our grandmother used to tell a story, everybody used to tell a story, and we used to love it. So we human beings actually have a very deep connection with stories, right? We have a very good connection with stories. So that's why it is actually said that you can start your video either with a quotation or with a personal example or with some questions. Okay? Make sense everyone? समझ आया आप लोगों को? Okay? So this is one thing. और उसके बाद आप कभी भी guys, hello guys ऐसे नहीं बोलना है कभी किसी को. Like we tell this na, hello guys, today I will talk about all these things, okay? So this is not something that you actually should focus upon. You will not say guys words ever. This is very informal. The very good way to say everyone, the very good way to present everyone is hello ladies and gentlemen when you are creating your video. Because right now your videos will not only seen by, I would say, the management, but a lot of people will see them online. So how will you represent yourself? That hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is so and so, and today I will be talking about whatsoever. Okay everyone, समझ आया सबको? This is a way through which you start your video. अब बारी आती है कि मिडिल कंटेंट कैसा होना चाहिए. हमारा मिडिल कंटेंट कैसे होना चाहिए. It's very important कि not only your starting but the middle of your what you can say, the body of your speech or the body of whatever you want to convey to the audience needs to be very well designed. It needs to be very well designed. So how you will design your middle part of the speech, that is very important. And how you have to do that is by applying the ERS formula. Everyone, by applying the ERS formula. अभी किसी चीज की वीडियो नहीं भेजनी है, अभी सुन लो. किसी चीज की वीडियो नहीं भेजनी है, अभी मुझे सुनो. सिर्फ आप लोग जब मैं बोलूंगी वो चीज माना करो. जो कमेंट में कोई भी लिख देता है उस चीज को मत माना करो. Okay everyone, don't create a lot of spam, because once you create any kind of comment, somebody gets manipulated and वो फिर comment आता रहता है, वो बच्चा वो चीज नहीं सुन पाता. Okay, so please focus on your study right now. आपको ये सब कभी किसी ने बताया जो मैं आज बता रही हूँ? Has anybody told you all the things that I have told you अभी तक? Has anybody told you all these things which I have told you अभी तक? किसने कभी बताया आपको? Okay. So if you already know it, so be silent. If you don't know it, listen. Alright? Okay. So how will you prepare the body of your speech actually matters a lot. And here comes the ERS formula. ERS formula of communication is prepared by me only. It's my personal formula. It's my personal formula of communication which you all have to apply from now onwards, okay? What is E? E is simple, explain it. E का मतलब क्या होता है? Explain it. ठीक है? E का मतलब होता है explain it. अब explain it में क्या करना है? For example, आपने कोई भी टॉपिक उठाया तो स्टार्टिंग में आप उसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉजिटिविटी, तो आपने वीडियो स्टार्ट करी तो आप ये स्टार्ट करेंगे, फर्स्ट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी. ओके, What is the meaning of positivity? Okay, so that's how you will start your video. It's ERS. E for elephant, R for rose, S for ship, ERS formula. Okay, it's ERS formula. E in this process, in this formula stands for explain it. Okay, explain it. First of all, you have to explain whatever you want to convey to your audience. Second one is R. R is reinforce it. REINFORCE. Reinforce it. Write it down, everyone. Prepare your notes as well. The first one is explain it. The second one is reinforce it. REINFORCE. Everybody please abhi ruk jao. Your questions will be taken at the end. Please don't spam abhi. Understand this thing. Understand this thing. The first is explain it. Explain it मैं बता चुकी हूँ. You have to explain your topic in the beginning. Second is R. R is reinforce it. Okay, what is the meaning of reinforce it? For example, आपने कोई भी चीज़ explain करी. Whatever you have explained. Now you will reinforce it with a story. For example, or with someone's success story. For example, कि आपकी कोई personal story associated है. Okay, so that's how you will also tell about that thing in that particular aspect. You will reinforce it. कभी कभी क्या होता है, मैं कुछ समझाती हूँ, उसके साथ में एक story add कर देती हूँ, so that it can make sense, so that you can understand it very well, right? So this is a simple communication formula that when you tell story related with your topic, okay, so what happens over there is the connection between the topics becomes really strong. It becomes really strong. Okay, so you have to reinforce it with either it can be your personal story, it can be your personal experiences, or of any renowned I would say personality. कोई personalities होते हैं ना बहुत अच्छे अच्छे, जैसे बिल गेट्स हो गए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हो गए, हमारे बहुत सारे लोग हैं. आप उनकी कोई एग्जाम्पल आप रिसर्च करिए उस टॉपिक पे. यू कैन रिसर्च ऑन दैट टॉपिक एंड देन यू कैन टेल about that story related to your topic. And how you can start it? Let's take an example of Mr. Narendra Modi, right? For example, we are talking about hard work. For example, we are talking about hard work. So how will you say about hard work? For example, आपने कुछ भी start किया. The key to success is always hard work. Okay, the key to success is always hard work. Good morning everyone, good morning ladies and gentlemen, this is Pooja Gulati. Today I will be talking about how important hard work is in your journey to success. First of all, let's understand what is this hard work. Hard work means in order to achieve anything you have to put in a lot of effort. आपको effort डालना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Now आपने जो भी बोला explain it में, आपने initially जो भी बोला, now you will tell that let's understand or let's take an example of our Prime Minister only. In the beginning of his life, he was a tea seller. He was a tea seller, but he proved that there is no foundation and there is no qualification required to run a nation. To run a nation. Okay. So you can give such type of example and you can reinforce it. You can reinforce it. The last one, S is summarize it. The last one, S is summarize it. The last one, S is summarize it. Summarize it का मतलब क्या होता है? Summarize it का मतलब होता है कि जो भी आपने बोला उसको आपने conclude कर दिया. For example, आप बोल रहे हैं कि I will be talking about 5 ways through which you can improve your positivity, you can improve your mindset. वो सब चीजें आपने जो भी अंदर था आपने बोला, उसके बाद you will conclude it, you will summarize it. And I believe you will all apply the rules of communication or the rules of positivity in your life. And here I would like to tell you that how important is communication is. Do your hard work and upgrade your communication skills and become a great communicator. Okay everyone, this is a way through which you can end your communication. That is simple ERS formula. Yes, you can call it confusion as well. So this is an ERS formula. Okay. So this is how you will design your entire thing. This is how you will design your communication. Everyone, okay? समझ आया सबको? Start आपको कैसे करना है? And you should have a smile on your face always. Smile is very, very, very important, okay? Smile is very, very, very important. Okay, everyone, you got to understand? You got to understand? ERS formula. Yes, conclusion or summarize is same. But in order to make the formula, I was supposed to prepare it with ERS. R is reinforce it. मनप्रीत, R का मतलब reinforce it होता है कि आपने जो भी समझाया आप उसको reinforce कर रहे हो, आप उसको पक्का कर रहे हो. You are making it concrete. You are making it very, very concrete by attaching the success story of somebody else or your personal story. Okay? Or your personal story related to that particular topic. ये नहीं कि कहीं से भी उठा के कुछ भी बोल दिया. Topic से related होना चाहिए. Okay? Make sense, everyone? Make sense? Okay. And one thing I would like to tell you a couple of things when you will be creating your videos, everyone. That first of all, you have to keep your camera on your eye level. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि कैमरा आपके नीचे है तो आप ऐसे करके बना रहे हो, कैमरा आपके ऊपर है तो आप ऐसे करके बना रहे हो. No, the camera needs to be on your eye level. Camera needs to be on your eye level. You have to keep your camera on your eye level. It should not be kept low so that you will be preparing your video like this, or it should not be kept high so that you will be preparing your videos like this. It should always be on your eye level. Okay? It should always be at your eye level. समझ आया? Okay, everyone. So let's understand one thing as well. When you will be creating your videos, your hands are very important. Hand gestures are very, very, very important. Your hand gestures are very, very, very important. Okay? Your hand gestures are very, very important. Right? How? And you have to use your hands as well. आपने कभी देखा कि मेरे hands नीचे ही रखे हुए हैं और मैं बात कर रही हूँ आप लोगों से? नहीं ना. I always talk when my hands are actually moving whenever I am conversing with all of you. Okay? For example, you are talking about, you will be in the video you are saying that I will be telling 5 points. एक तरीका होता है कि 5 points से बोलो I will be telling you 5 points today. But एक तरीका होता है I will be telling you 5 points today. Always remember, action speaks louder than words. Action speaks louder than words. You have to use your hands, okay, in order to create a very good image of yours. S का मतलब summarize it होता है कुछ, ठीक है? और अगर आप कुछ मिस कर देते हो तो बाद में आके you can come and you can visit the live session. You can visit the live session once again. Okay? It will be saved. It will be saved. Okay? And one more thing that you all have to take care of, whenever you are communicating and whenever you are creating a videos or whenever you are doing something, it's very, very, very crucial that आप लोग अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा energy हो आपके अंदर. Energy is very, very important. Energy is very, very, very important. Okay? Energy is very important whenever you are preparing any content or when you are communicating with somebody. There are 2 ways to ask someone, hello, how are you? The first one is, hello, how are you? Right? And the second one is, hello, how are you? Right? So there are 2 ways. The way you communicate actually determines what kind of energy you have. So energy also makes us realize कि हाँ positivity कितनी ज़्यादा important है. तो आप लोगों को एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखनी है, whenever you will be making your videos and whenever you will be communicating with other people, you have to make a very good point कि हाँ your energy level is very 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 high. और ये भी नहीं कि बहुत तेज चिल्लाना है, it should be low as well, मतलब moderate होना चाहिए, जैसी मेरी एनर्जी आपको लगती है. Okay, so the similar way you have to communicate. Bhagwati, I will explain it again. Please wait for a while. I know थोड़ा वो है. I will explain it again. Please have some patience, everyone. Okay, have some patience. Okay. The next thing is that you have to understand one thing. कि whenever you are communicating with somebody, yes, your energy level needs to be very very strong. Yes, ERS needs to be applied. Yes, your starting needs to be very good. Your ending needs to be very good. Everything has to be very good. But one thing that is very very crucial is your intention towards preparing your video. Your why needs to be very much clear. अभी आपका why क्या होगा? अभी आपका why क्या है? I want to improve myself so that I can win the competition. So that I can win the competition, right? So your intent behind doing something needs to be very very high, very very clear, right? When I create my videos, अभी आप लोगों को किसी को कोई भी वीडियो नहीं भेजनी, अभी कंपटीशन स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. आई एम जस्ट एजुकेटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू. आप लोग अपना इतना दिमाग मत चलाया करो. वी आर टेकिंग अ कम्युनिकेशन क्लास एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू ना कि हाँ आपको अभी सिर्फ मैं समझा रही हूँ. और कंपटीशन जब भी होगा आपको बता दिया जाएगा. ओके, इट विल बी टोल्ड टू यू ऑल ऑफ यू. डोंट बी इन अ हाइप कि अब क्या होगा अब क्या होगा. एवरीथिंग विल बी टोल्ड टू यू. ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू मेक इट अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट. चलो लेट्स समराइज एवरीथिंग जो भी हमने अभी कराया. बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव पेशेंस, यू डोंट हैव पेशेंस एवरीवन, बिकॉज you don't want me to say anything else. Okay, so let's summarize whatever we have understood today. So in the beginning we talked about communication. What is communication? Communication is nothing but transferring your ideas, your thoughts, and feedback is very very important whenever you are taking when you are in a communication, so that there are no rooms for misunderstanding, right? The second thing that we discussed over there was कि हाँ whenever we are communicating, it's very important that nowadays virtual content is getting a lot of appreciation. Virtual content is getting a lot of appreciation. Virtual content is nothing but videos, and you will also be also be supposed to prepare videos by the end of the summer camp, which will be a part of the competition, right? So you have to be very very sure that you are creating very good videos, and that's why I took up the session today, so that you can know how to prepare videos. So first thing is, we will not start by saying simple good morning, good afternoon or good evening whatsoever. We will start by saying quotations, or we will start by saying a personal story, or we will start by saying any 3 questions through which people can answer yes to it, related to that topic. The next thing that we learned over here was ERS formula of communication. What is the ERS formula of communication? That जो भी आपने the body of your speech needs to be very very perfect. And how to design your body of the speech? By simply applying the ERS formula. The E stands for explain it. You have to first explain your topic. कि हाँ जो मैं टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, इसका मतलब ये है. Because you will not expect कि हाँ सामने वाले को पता होगा. Okay, सामने वाले को पता होगा. So you will make it a point that you are explaining what you are trying to say. Second is reinforce it. अब आप लोग उसको पक्का करेंगे. You will tell a story so that people can get inspired and people can connect it. Either you can tell your personal example related to that topic, or you can also say that किसी एक influential person का आप भी example दे सकते हो. ठीक है. Next comes summarize it. Whatever you are trying to explain and whatever story, whatever the things are, then what will you have to say is you have to summarize it. मनप्रीत, मैंने वाली चीज आपको बताई थी, क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होने चाहिए जिसके लिए लोग हाँ बोले, ठीक है. And there are 3 types of basic communication, that is virtual, that is visual, that is verbal, and that is written. 3 types of communication skills are very very important. Okay, Next thing that we have to keep in our mind is whenever you are communicating that you are always smiling. आपकी smile अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Your smile is very very good because it's a simple way through which you can radiate positivity. You can get attention from the people, right? So you have to smile when you are creating your videos. You have to smile when you are preparing your virtual content and whenever you are with other people as well, because smile presents that you are very very positive in your outlook towards life. You have to smile. The next thing that we have to keep in our mind is that your eye level needs to be very very perfect. Your eye level needs to be very very perfect. For example, आपका जो फोन है वो नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए, so that आपका जो आई लेवल है वो नीचे की तरफ जाए. आपका फोन ऊपर भी नहीं होना चाहिए, so that आप ऊपर देख के वीडियो बनाओ. आपका आई लेवल आपकी आईज पे होना चाहिए. Lina, if you think your time is over, you can leave, but I will still continue to give the session for next 5 minutes. Okay, right? So the next thing that we have to keep in our mind is कि आप जो भी कम्युनिकेट कर रही हो, your energy level needs to be very very high. Your energy level needs to be very very high so that you are able to convey your ideas to the other person. The next thing that we all have to keep in our mind is your hands. You have to show your hands. You have to show your hands because actions speak louder than words. Okay everyone? Okay everyone? Make sense? Make sense everyone? It's very important that you are following all these kinds of things whenever you are creating your videos. And the secret box for all of you for today is, there is a secret box. You all know what's the secret box. So today's secret box is, exactly, eye contact needs to be very very good. Whenever you are talking to somebody or it's a virtual content, eye contact needs to be very very good. Okay. So I will be telling you one thing, your secret box for the day. So all of you are excited for the mystery box for the day? Secret box for the day. Everyone who is excited for the secret box for the day? Anji, you are excited? I'm also very excited because it's very good. It's going to be very amazing, okay? So today, all of you are supposed to prepare a video of 1 minute. Today, all of you, yes, I am telling your secret box for the day. So for today, you have to prepare, you have to create a video of 1 minute. Thank you. So you have to prepare a video of 1 minute today, wherein you will be using everything that is being told to you, that how you have to prepare videos and everything. If you will have any doubts, you will come back and you will watch this live again and you will clear your doubts. Okay. So the topic for the day is, the topic for creating today's video is, write it down. The topic for creating today's video is my favorite childhood memory. The topic for creating today's video is my favorite childhood memory. My favorite childhood memory. Okay, this is the topic for the day everyone. So you have to prepare your 1 minute of video on this topic, that is my favorite childhood memory. Okay, and after preparing your video, you are supposed to prepare 1 minute of video on the topic my favorite childhood memory. Okay everyone, समझ आया? And after preparing that video, you have to send it to me. After preparing your videos, you have to send it to me on my mail ID. You have to send it to me on my mail ID. You have to send it to me on my mail ID, and my mail ID is Pooja Gulati, POOJAGULATI999 @gmail.com. You have to prepare 1 minute. आपको 1 मिनट की वीडियो बनानी है एवरीवन. आपको आज 1 मिनट की वीडियो बनानी है. wherein you will be talking about your favorite childhood memory. Your favorite childhood memory, and you have to send it to me on my mail ID. आपको मेरी मेल ID पे भेजना है. मेरी मेल ID है Pooja Gulati, POOJAGULATI 999 @gmail.com. मैं हिंदी में बता चुकी हूँ रमा, ठीक है. मुझे भेजनी है आपको मेरी मेल आईडी पे. मेरी मेल आईडी आपको मिल गई होगी कमेंट सेक्शन में अभी. पूजा गुलाटी 999 @gmail.com. You have to send it on my email ID, everyone. My mail ID is POOJA on my mail ID, everyone. Where मेरी मेल पे भेजनी है. पूजा गुलाटी 999. It's not 99. It's 999. 999. 3 बार 9 है. It's not 99. It's 999. Okay? It's 999 @gmail.com. Okay? अभी थोड़ी देर बाद एक पोस्टर भी डल जाएगा जिसमें आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन, जिसमें it's not PUJA, it's POOJA. सतीश गुलाटी जी ने अभी डाली है, ठीक है. So you can take the email ID from there. So all of you are supposed to send your videos by 8 PM today. आज 8 बजे से पहले, आज 8 बजे से पहले आपके मेरे पास आपकी वीडियोस आ जानी चाहिए आपके मेरी मेल आईडी पे. The timeline is 8 PM today. The deadline is 8 PM today. Okay, everyone, you have to send it on my mail ID, and that's it for today's session, everyone. I hope you all really enjoyed it, and thank you so much for being a lovely audience. You are such great students. Keep applying the rules and start learning, and the next session will be of Vedic maths, and it's gonna be really interesting. Okay, and take care, all of you. Anybody has any doubts? Or otherwise I would like to end the section for the date limit. No, you have to send it today by 8 PM. Today by 8 PM you have to send it. 8 PM रात को 8 बजे से पहले मुझे भेजनी है आपको वीडियोस. आपको मुझे भेजनी है, सॉरी. And everybody, you are supposed to do this because this will help you in improving yourself for the competition ahead. जो कंपटीशन होगा आगे जाके, उसके लिए आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग यू. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू विल सेंड इट टू मी बाय टुडे. उमेश, द डेट इज टुडे. आज 24 तारीख, 24 मई 2021. आज रात 8 बजे से पहले आपको मुझे भेजनी है. यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट इन हिंदी और इंग्लिश एज वेल, लेकिन आपको इंग्लिश यूज करना है. यू हैव टू यूज इंग्लिश. Or you can use both Hindi and English. You can mix both the languages, right? And abhi you will be getting a poster will be uploaded. ठीक है, a poster will be uploaded wherein there will be all the information, so you can take all the information from there. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone, for being a lovely audience. Take care. Enjoy all the sessions for the day, and yeah, do send your videos, and I will be seeing all of them. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone. Take care.